Hello, it's time for Problem of the Day, and it's May 5th, 2020, so let's get started. Our math norms. Listen to classmates and teachers. We appreciate mistakes because that's learning. We can learn from each other because we all do math at high levels. Math is about creativity and solving problems. Speed is not a math value, and math talk is necessary. All right, our problem of the day today, as always, our learning target is I can use problem-solving strategies to solve this problem. And it's always important to show your work and to describe how you are thinking. That's why if you can have math talk at your house, that would be great because then you can talk about your thinking in math. So the question is, how many numbers are there? Directions. How many numbers are there between 1 and 3? I want you to really think about this one. I'm going to put it on pause and come back in a little bit. Okay, we're back. How many numbers are there between 1 and 3? So some of you might think, easy. You could do 3 minus 1, which is 2, or you could count 1, 2, 3, also 2. But 2 is not a precise answer. There's only 2 whole numbers between 1 and 3. However, there are a lot of fractions of numbers that we can think about. For instance, the number 1.2, so 1 and 2/10. That's between 1 and 3, correct? Yep, it is. It's a whole number 1 and then a fraction of the number 2/10. Or we can think about this number. Let me just get my pen going. 2 and 2/3. Is that between 1 and 3? Sure is. Yes. But guys, there are so many fractions or parts of numbers that we could have. For instance, we could have 1 and 519 600ths, for instance. Is that between 1 and 3? Absolutely. So the correct answer for this one, which might blow your mind, is there's an infinite amount of numbers between 1 and 3. We can't count because it could keep going and going and going. So there is an infinite number. You might know the sign for infinity, and it's kind of like this. Let's see if I can draw it with my mouse pad. Kind of like that. So we could say there's an endless or infinite number of possibilities between 1 and 3 because we have to start thinking more mathematically and not just the whole numbers. We've got to think about parts and fractions of numbers. Okay? I hope you're having a great day. Bye.